There's a large range in price range on these pieces. For instance, I just sold a piece not long ago, which was a George Jones piece, which was a relief with lilies on a lily pad with a butterfly, 4-inch butterfly, and footed. And it was maybe 10 inches around, 5 inches high. And it was put out by George Jones in the mid-1800s, and the piece sold for almost $5,000. So there's a top range of Majolica that can sell between $5,000 and $20,000 for a piece, depending on who made it, the age, and the condition. But George Jones is one of the higher end pieces, and that piece in particular happened to be in that category where it was a very expensive piece. But for the most part, you can pick up Majolica anywhere from $50, pretty common things, up to this cake plate, which is going to range in around the 600 range in good condition. And a crush-in pattern is very early, so you're going to pay a little bit more. This plate can cost about $75 in good condition. The corn pitchers are pretty common. These corn pitchers are pretty common. This is the reproduction I was talking to you about. It's only worth about $20, $25, which this is about $45 to $55, the size, and it's old. This bamboo pattern can range around the $250 range in good condition. You can see a lot of these patterns, when you have the yellow-green motif on the outside, will have the pink relief on the inside. That's a really tall tale for Majolica. You'll see it here. You'll see the pink relief on the inside on this a crush-in pattern seashell piece, the compo. And this here, this picture with the high relief on it, with the three-dimensional bud on the top, this we talked about is about a 300 range picture.